Creating a contact form is a way to invite people to contact you or your business via email. The contact form will allow visitors to submit their information and email to you directly. In WordPress, there are various contact form plugins that can make the task of creating a contact form for your site easy. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP we will learn how to add a contact form on your WordPress website using the Contact Form 7 plugin. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing that you'll want to do once you land on your WordPress dashboard is install the Contact 7 Form plugin. Now keep in mind that if you have any other form plugin, for example Ninja Forms, you can go ahead and you can deactivate that plugin if you want to move ahead with Contact 7 Form. So firstly, I'll deactivate my Ninja Forms plugin and then I'll move forward to Contact 7 Form. So you just have to go to plugins. And over here, I can see that I might have Ninja Forms. I have Ninja Forms, it's already deactivated. I do have WP Forms Lite. I can go ahead and I can deactivate this as well. So just hit on deactivate from here and your work is done. Now you can go ahead and add a new plugin from right here. Just click on this add new button. Search for the Contact 7 Form plugin. And you can see Contact Form 7 is right here. Just hit on install now, and till it's installing, you can go ahead and check out some of the details of the plugin that you're installing, the installation process, some FAQs, screenshots, and reviews if you want. Now go ahead and activate the form. Great. So once your Contact 7 form is installed and activated, what you'll do is you can find in your left-hand sidebar, you can find this particular contact setting that will pop up, and you can go to add new from here. Awesome. So this is how you can go ahead and create a new contact form for yourself. First of all, give it a title. I'm going to name it Contact Form 1. Awesome. So we've given it a title, and as you can see that your form by default will come with some fields, for example, your name, your email, the subject, the message, which is optional over here, and the submit button. So you don't have to make any changes from here. But what you can do is you can go ahead and click on this editing form template button and check this out from here. So as you can see, it is kind of a post about explaining what these fields are. So you can go ahead and you can check this particular post out. And yeah, you don't have to make any changes. This is just a simple contact form. So you can just go ahead and click on save from here. And there you go. You have created a contact form using Contact 7 Form plugin. Hope you guys were able to create a contact form using Contact 7 Form plugin successfully with the help of this SOP. In the further new SOPs, we will learn how we can go ahead and add, install, embed this particular form using Elementor or putting it on your website. So stay tuned for that. And of course, I'll be coming up with a lot of videos related to WordPress and other digital marketing tools. If you like this video, go ahead and hit on that like button, subscribe button, along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Jaswin Walia, and I will see you in our next SOP.